You're using Windows 11 every day, but trust me, you've only scratched the surface. Today, I'll show you hidden Windows 11 features that'll completely change the way you use your PC. Welcome back to Mendit Tech. If you thought Windows 11 was just about design and rounded corners, wait till you see what's hiding underneath. Let's unlock some secret features you probably never tried. Feature 1. Hidden Start Menu Shortcuts. Right-click the Start button, or press Win plus X, and boom! A hidden power menu appears with quick access to Device Manager, Task Manager, and more. Feature 2. Virtual Desktops Customization. Use Win plus Tab, then rename and set unique wallpapers for each desktop. Perfect for multitasking or separating work and gaming setups.
Feature 3. Clipboard History. Control-Shift-V. Ever copied multiple things and lost track? Press Win plus V to open your clipboard history. It stores everything you copied. Feature 4. Focus Sessions in Clock app. Open the Clock app. Click Focus Sessions. Set a timer. Link Spotify and stay productive. Feature 5. Built-in Screen Recorder. No third-party app needed. Press Win, Alt-R to record your screen instantly using Xbox Game Bar. Feature 6. Dynamic Refresh Rate for laptops. Go to Settings, Display, Advanced Display, enable Dynamic Refresh Rate to save battery and get smoother visuals. Nearby Sharing, instantly send files between Windows PCs. Turn it on for Settings, Nearby Sharing. Storage Sense, Auto Clean. Automatically delete temporary files and free up space. Settings, System, Storage, Storage Sense. Voice typing everywhere, press Win-H and speak. Windows 11 types it for you. Works in any app, from Word to Chrome. So how many of these did you already know? Comment below your favorite hidden feature. And don't forget to hit subscribe, because next, we're revealing secret Windows 11 speed hacks.